The greatest machine you will ever own is your body. It is more complicated than any computer. It lasts for a lifetime and it's yours for completely free. Lifetime. Your body is made up of hundreds of different parts. You probably know the names of some of them that you can see, but there are many organs which are deep inside you. Hundreds of different parts. Body parts often come in pairs. You have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 lungs, 2 feet, and so on. Body parts often come in pairs. This means that you have a handy spare in case one of them gets damaged. Handy spare. Water is one of the most important chemicals in your body. Water is about 2/3 of your weight. Water about 2/3 of your weight. Although we look different than the animals, but our bodies are similar from inside. Our closest animal relatives are the chimpanzees. Chimpanzees. All the human bodies work in the same way, but everyone is different. Nobody looks, sounds, or thinks exactly like you. You are different because of the genes that comes from your parents. Mother, father, genes, DNA. All bodies are made up of organs. Organs. Your skin is an organ. Skin. Skin is wrapped around the framework of bones and other organs such as the heart, the brain, and the lungs. Organs work to keep you alive and each does a different job. Organs work together to make up a system such as the muscular system and the circulatory system. Muscular system. Circulatory system. Organs are made up of tissues which are made of 2 groups of similar cells. Cells are different depending upon the organs they are part of. Human cells. Skin cells are different from the bone cells. Human cells. Neural cells. Muscle cells. Stem cells. You know what blood is. It's the red stuff that oozes out when you get a paper cut. An average person has 1 to 1.5 gallons or 4 to 6 liters of blood in the body. One to 1.5 gallons or 4 to 6 liters. But what is blood really and where does it come from? Your body needs constant supply of food, oxygen and other essentials and also prompt removal of waste to live life. Neural cells, muscle cells, stem cells. The blood delivers the services and disposes of the waste from the body. Billions of red cells carrying oxygen gives blood its red color. Red blood cells. Blood also contains white blood cells that defends your body by invading pathogens or germs. Red blood cells. Germs. White blood cells. An average adult has 10 pints or 5.7 liters of blood in the body. Ten pints or 5.7 liters. A newborn baby has only a cupful of blood. 10 pints or 5.7 liters. The blood has the unique ability to turn from liquid to solid in minutes, and it helps to mend cuts on your skin. Liquid blood. Solid blood. A plaster can help a cut to heal by closing the skin and keeping out dirt. Plasters. A plaster can stop you from scratching, which can make the cuts worse. Plasters. There are 4 main types of blood called the blood groups. A, O, AB and B. Now you know blood is important to us. But what can you do? Kids generally are not allowed to donate the blood, but you can donate the blood when you grow old and save a life. Donator. Blood bank. Hospital. Patient. Bladder. Pee is one of the first body fluids that a kid learns about. You probably learned about pee, also called urine, when you were 2 or so. You learned more about pee when you started using toilet instead of diapers. Diaper. Let's understand more about the urine and how it comes out of the body. All day long, small stream of urine trickles down the kidneys. Kidney. Ureter. bladder, urethra, urine is collected in an organ called bladder until you go to the toilet. The amount of urine the bladder holds varies from person to person. Some people's bladder can hold lot of urine and some people's can hold some. Your bladder stretches up as it fills. Stretches. This sends a signal to the brain, making you want to go to the toilet. An adult's bladder stretches from the size of a plum to the grapefruit. Adult's bladder size: plum, grapefruit. It can hold almost 500 milliliters or 1 pint of urine. Your bladder is of a size of an orange when it holds the urine. Orange. The bladder has waterproof lining to stop it from leaking. Waterproof lining. Urine leaves from the body from a tube called urethra. Kidney. Ureter. Bladder. Urethra. It is normally kept shut by two muscles. You might not think much about peeing or about your urinary tract, but these are the ways you can have it in a proper manner. Brain. How do you remember the way to your friend's home? Why do your eyes blink without you even thinking about it? Where do dreams come from? Your brain is in charge of these things and lot many other things. In fact, your brain is the boss of your body. The brain runs the whole show and controls just about everything you do, even when you're asleep. Not bad for something that looks like a wrinkly gray sponge and only weighs about 1.3 kilograms. Your brain contains billions of nerve cells called neurons that carry signals to and from the different parts of your body through the central nervous system. Your brain triples between the birth and the adulthood. Neurons. As it grows, it wrinkles up to fit your skull, which acts like a protective crash helmet. Skull. If you stretch out the brain, it can cover an ironing board. The shock-absorbing liquids fill the space between the skull and the brain. When you start learning about something, you create connection between your cells and the brain. Next time you do, the cerebrum is the main part of your brain. It stores the information and controls your movement. The cerebellum is also responsible for thinking, speaking, and performing complicated tasks such as sums. Touch, taste, cerebrum, cerebellum, smell, hearing, your cerebellum helps to balance and move your muscles. You use bit of your brain when you dance. Whatever else you do, your brain stems make sure that your heart and breathing never stops. Maybe you want the exact toy for your birthday and you get it and you go really happy. Your friend is sick and you really become sad. And your little brother messed up your room and you really get angry. Where do these feelings come from? They come from your brain, of course. So what can you do for your brain? Eat healthy food which is rich in potassium and calcium, two minerals which are important for the nervous system. Get a lot of playtime and exercise. Wear a helmet when you ride a bike or play other sports that require head protection. Use your brain by doing challenging activities such as puzzles, reading, playing music, making art, or anything else that your brain needs a workout. Ears. Did you hear something? Did you hear something? Maybe the sound that you heard was quiet as your cat licking the milk. Cat licking. Maybe it was loud like a siren going by. Siren. Sounds are everywhere. You have two cool parts on your body that helps you hear them all. Your ears. Collecting sounds. Your ears are in charge of collecting the sounds, processing them, and sending sound signals to the brain. Sending sound signals to brain. We do not notice the slight delay between someone's lip moving and the sounds actually reaching the ears. It is too fast. Sound is too fast. Talk. Sounds normally reach one ear first and then the other. Sound reaching one ear, other ear. This helps our brain where sounds are coming from and how far they are. Sensors in your ears work with those in your eyes, muscles, joints, and feet to let your brain know your body's position. Feet, eyes, muscles, joints. The liquid in the tubes of your ears is like water in a cup. Eardrum, middle ear, cochlea, eustachian tube. When you spin, it continues to slush around for some time, even if you have stopped. Your brain gets confused which way you are, and you feel dizzy as a result. Stopped. Partially deaf people may use hearing aids. This makes the sounds entering the ears louder and easier to hear. Hearing aids. Your ears take care of you, and so you take care of them. Take care of your ears. Protecting your ears by wearing earplugs when in loud music concert or around noisy machines like wood or metal shops. Take care of your ears. Earplugs. Noisy machinery. Wood or metal shop. Keep the volume down on the stereo, especially when you're in the car or wearing headphones. No loud music. Headphones. The last important thing is don't go poking around your ears with the cotton buds. Don't poke your ears. Cotton swab. Eyes.